Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain you about the project Cats vs Birds. This is a one player game. In this game the player taps the bird, then the bird moves towards the mushroom. But if the bird touched by any cats on the way, it has go back to the starting position. If the bird reaches the mushroom safely, then the player wins the game. For that, we start our project with sauna background. Here I am using a Windows laptop. In this we will get the default character is tick. Here I am removing this tick character and I am using chicken characters in place of cats characters. Second chicken and this is third chicken. Now I want to add a bird. Now I want to add mushroom. Now all the characters are added on the stage. Now we have to place them properly so that they do not touch the other characters on the stage. This is the first chicken, second and the third chicken. This is the bird and the mushroom. Now we will start our script. On the first chicken, start the script with the green flag. Whenever I click on the green flag, I want to move this chicken in the upward direction. For that I am using this move up block with 15 steps. See here, the chicken is moving upward. Now I want to move this chicken continuously. For that I am using a repeat forever block at the end of the script. See, now here when the bird touches the chicken will sends a message to the bird to go back to the starting position. For that I am using start on touch block. It will sends a message by using this block. Here I am sending a orange color message. Now add the same code in the other two chickens. Move up and with repeat forever block. When touches the bird, sends a message of orange color. Start with green flag, move upward 15 steps for forever. Whenever touched by the bird, send a message of orange color. Now see here, all the three chickens are moving in upward direction. Now I want to change the speeds of these chickens. For that I am using set speed block from the control block and I am placing after the green flag. In the first chicken I am using this set speed block with slow speed. In the second chicken also I am using the set speed block with slow speed. In the third chicken I am using this set speed block after the green flag with medium speed. Now the chickens will move with different speeds. Now we want to add the code in bird character. Go to the bird character. Whenever you touch the bird want to move forward. For that use this start on tap block, move right 2 steps. See here, if I touch the bird moves forward in 2 steps. Now, whenever the bird touches any of the chickens, the chickens sends a message of orange color in the chicken script. Now we will receive that orange color message here by using this start on message block. If the message receives, the bird want to move to the starting position. For that, here I am using go home block. Now we will see if the bird touches any chicken, the bird is moving to the starting position. Now we need to add code in the mushrooms script. Whenever the bird touches the mushroom, mushroom will display a message, you win. For that we will use start on touch block with a say block and replace the text with you win. Now the code in all the characters are completed. Now we will see the output here. Press on this presentation mode and tap this green flag and touch this bird to move forward. If the bird touches any chicken, it is moving to the starting position. If the bird reaches the mushroom, it is displaying a message, you win. That's how we will play this game. Now click on the yellow tab and give the name as Project Cats versus Birds. Click on the tick mark and press the home button to save your project. Thank you for watching the video.